Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Bithumb, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges trusted by millions globally. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Bithumb offers a robust platform for trading, staking, and managing your digital assets. The homepage provides an intuitive layout with a clear display of the latest crypto prices and market trends. To get started, simply click the Sign Up button in the top right corner, where you'll be guided through a quick registration process. Upon signing up through the link in the description, new users can unlock a special bonus, perfect for boosting your initial trading experience. Once registered, navigate to the Markets section to explore trading pairs. Bithumb supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. The trading interface is user-friendly, featuring real-time charts, customizable tools, and an order book to suit both basic and advanced trading strategies. Deposit funds by selecting the Wallet tab. Bithumb allows you to fund your account with fiat currency or transfer crypto from an external wallet. Security is a top priority, and the platform implements advanced safety measures such as two-factor authentication and encryption protocols. The Earn section lets you stake select cryptocurrencies to generate passive income. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To withdraw funds, go back to the Wallet tab, select your desired currency, and follow the straightforward withdrawal process. Ensure you completed the required KYC verification to enjoy uninterrupted access to all features. For those who need assistance, Bithumb provides a detailed help center and 24/7 customer support to address your queries. The platform's mobile app ensures you stay connected to your trades on the go. Don't forget to sign up using the special link in the description to claim your bonus. Explore the world of crypto trading with Bithumb and take advantage of its exceptional features today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and stay tuned for all things crypto.